Where is India's largest green ammonia project being established? Right answer is option C, Gopalpur, Odisha. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital recently? Right answer is option B, Bengaluru. The Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Right answer is option D, Dhanushkodi. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center being established? Right answer is option C, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. The Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option B, Aralam, Kerala. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. India's first overpass wildlife corridor has been built on which expressway? Right answer is option A, Delhi Mumbai Expressway. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where has the world's first energy transmission park been inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Telangana. Where was India's first high altitude climate research station inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Right answer is option D, Sikkim. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 10th rank. Gogabil Lake, which was recently designated as 94th Ramsar Site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option A, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the eighth time in 2025? Right answer is option B, Indore. Which country became the first South Asian nation and the 56th globally to join the United Nations Water Convention? Right answer is option D, Bangladesh. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Where was first international conference on glaciers preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Where was India's first green hydrogen hub project launched? Right answer is option B, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use. Right answer is option D, Jaisri Venkatesan. Which Indian state has launched its first AI based real time forest alert system? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where will India's first private public partnership green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option B, Indore. Which state has recorded the highest number of dolphins in the Ganga River Dolphin Survey conducted for the first time in India? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Right answer is option D, India. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Right answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Kanger Ghati National Park, of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Patna, Bihar. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Where will world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Dunya be established? Right answer is option A, Khurja, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Right answer is option A, India. What was the theme for World Wetlands Day 2025? Right answer is option B, protecting wetlands for our common future. Which country will host the COP32 climate summit in 2027? Right answer is option D, Ethiopia. Which states Sunapur and Puri beaches have once again received the prestigious Blue Flag certification for the year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Which has become the first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP? Right answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option D, Simlipal National Park. What was the theme for Earth Day 2025? Right answer is option C, Our Power, Our Planet. In which state was India's first underground museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center, Vantra, been inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. The Kitchen and Minar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Where was India's first portal for vulture conservation launched? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which country has become the world's fourth largest biofuel consumer? Right answer is option B, India. Dharali village of which state has recently witnessed a devastating flood after a cloud burst? It is located in which state? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, France. Where is India's first e-waste eco park is being established? Right answer is option A, Delhi. Who recently received the most influential environmentalist award on World Environment Day 2025? Right answer is option D, Acharya Prasant. How many Ramsar sites are there in India as of November 2025? Right answer is option D, 94. What is India's rank in the 2025 Energy Transition Index released by the World Economic Forum? Right answer is option B, 71st rank. Recently, where has the world's largest white hydrogen reservoir been found? Right answer is option B, France. Operation Falcon was launched by which state government to protect one-horned rhinos from poachers? Right answer is option A, Assam. Kechupalri wetland is the first Ramsar wetland site of which Indian state? Right answer is option D, Sikkim. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 people. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award? Right answer is option C, Inquis. Where was Gorbia Solar Power Project inaugurated in July 2025? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Asia's largest jungle safari will be set up in which state? Right answer is option A, Haryana. Gunri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. What was the theme of 2025 World Environment Day? Right answer is option B, ending plastic pollution. What is the name of the high resolution weather forecasting system launched in India in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Bharat Forecast System, which has become the fourth fully solar powered village in Gujarat. Right answer is option A, Dhordo village of Kutch district. In which state is India's first bamboo-based biorefinery being set up? Right answer is option A, Numaligarh, Assam. Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary of which state has been approved by the NTCA to become India's newest tiger reserve? Right answer is option D, Odisha. In which country will IFCO set up its first overseas nano fertilizer plant? Right answer is option C, Brazil. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Which state won the top honor in the Best State category for the 6th National Water Awards 2024? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Dr. Marinsula Hungria has been received the World Food Prize 2025. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Recently, the Haile Gubbi volcano of which country has erupted for the first time after about 12,000 years? Right answer is option D, Ethiopia. The Supreme Court has ordered the declaration of Saranda Forest of which state as a wildlife sanctuary. If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, hype and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.